Ready? You recording?
Yeah.
Okay, hi guys. I just wanted to show you what I'm thinking about doing here for adding a little layer to the Stone Monkeys sound. So I have this flat little 12-step that I can carry in my bag, and it plugs right in this dongle. This little white dongle is the thing I was always talking about, and that lets me control this program, this app running with my feet. So basically I have this plugged in through the headphone jack, and it can go into the board through a 1/4-inch jack. So watch what I could do. I could play, while I'm playing this, go and play this. So maybe I could do something like... Or I could maybe even do some nifty drum sounds. Not that one really, is a crappy one, but if I just lower the octave here, I think. No, let me try that again, I'm just getting used to it. And then there, I can have this throbbing bass beat.
Disco.
Okay. There's that. Now this has an array of sounds that we might use, I don't know, to start a song. You know, like this. It's pretty easy to get a new sound. You just tap a button. And there is a, I don't know how good these sounds will be over the, you know, the board, but there you go. And there's some congas too. Bongos, rather.